Where are you going?
You want to know where I am going? Do you want to kidnap me too? Of course. You want to take me too?
Mama. Afam na nwa gwa anya andara n'ife.
Na sitia ka mo wasia ya nti. Woyola.
Nge kwosise ga ababa de ganaro. I'm going to skin you alive. You had the gods to call my father's palace evil. I am going to make a stand before the others in council and defend that nonsense which you have spoken.
Now look at me. Now take a good look at me. Does it look like I care? Does it look like I am scared of you or your father, the king? I am not. You can only kill me. I don't have a life anymore. I don't have a life. My life, my hopes, my dreams, everything has been shattered. No one cares about me. Nobody cares about my life. Nobody cares about my dreams because everything has been dashed away.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.